The windy storm of sounds of raindrops. The wind howls a symphony of might, whispering through the trees with all its might. Raindrops patter on the windowpane, a soothing rhythm, a gentle refrain. Clouds gather, dark and foreboding, as the storm unleashes its power, unloading. Gusts of wind, a relentless dance, bending branches, a natural trance. The sound of rain, a calming lullaby, echoes through the air, a soothing sigh. Nature's power, a force beyond, a display of beauty, untamed and bold. So if you like this video, give it a like, share and comment, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you press that bell to notify you for when the next bell will be posted. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.